Hello everyone. Today I'm just going to do a real quick video about tools of divination, and then I'll be doing separate videos to explain each tool of divination a little bit more in depth, so a little bit better understanding. The first tool of divination is going to be the tarot deck. Now, tarot seems to be the most intimidating to almost everyone. It does take a while to learn to use it. The cards are different suits, and people get confused about what each one means, and that's why it seems like it's a little bit more intimidating. But actually, once you get the hang of it, it's pretty simple and it's pretty straightforward. The next tool of divination is going to be oracle cards. Now, if you are not quite ready for tarot cards, oracle cards are a good place to start because they're self-explanatory. The explanation is right on the card, and what it means, you just read the card and then apply it to whatever your question is that you're asking. The next tool of divination is one of my absolute favorites, and this is I Ching. And I Ching are just 3 coins. The thing is, you can actually use any coin for I Ching as long as it has a clearly defined front and back. Quarters work well. Nickels work well, and I'll talk about how to prepare your coins to use I Ching in the next video. Another tool is the scrying mirror, and you pose a question and you gaze into the mirror and wait for the image to appear to you, and that's going to be the answer to your question. Now the next one, and I'm sure you all will be a little tiny bit familiar with this one. Oh gosh, my cloth is moving. And this is the scrying board and pendulum. And you know, with this one, you swing the pendulum and you let it fall on your answer. And it's a really simple tool to use. And like I said, once I get into the other videos, I'll talk about how to pick a pendulum and a board for yourself that you really would like. One of the other tools, which is really nice, is runes. And runes you use just like you do tarot. You can use 1, 2, or 3 in your readings. You can do complete and total tarot spreads. Rune spreads. I'm going to have to edit that out. And inside are the meanings of what the runes are. And it's, like I said, it's pretty simple to use. I like it a lot. Another method is, oops, I dropped stuff, candle gazing. Can you see the end of the taper there? So I prefer to use a taper because you might have to look into the flame for a while before you get your answer. And you want a taper that burns slowly if you're just training and learning how to use it. Little candles, little votives don't really work well. I wouldn't suggest those at all, but definitely a taper works really well. And the thing that I dropped is the one I want to grab right here. And this is numerology. I usually do a chart for myself once a year. We're actually born with numbers attached to us. So there's your time of birth and how much you weigh. So you've got numbers following your whole life. So numbers are actually a significant way to answer some questions you might have, like what is your life path, who you're going to marry, what kind of people you're attracted to, what may be the best city for you to live in and be successful. So that's it for today. Just a real quick overview of tools of divination. Thank you for joining me. Bye-bye.